I have been making animated videos and uploading them to stock sites for 9 years. I was rendering videos in MP4 format, but 1 month ago a new rule came out. Videos need to be uploaded in MOV format instead of MP4. I have more than 100 videos in MP4 format. I had to convert them to MOV video format. After researching internet, I found Wondershare Uniconverter, and in this video I will show you how to use Wondershare Uniconverter. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and first one I want to show official website Wondershare Uniconverter. This is version 15 and we can get here Uniconverter or we can see pricing. Let's click here for see all prices. Okay, there are 4 plans. We can pick individuals or business, education or bundles. So also we can read here all features about Uniconverter. For example, popular tools, video converter, compressor, editor, video recorder, and video burn, and more tools. So let's open Uniconverter and let's see what we can do. So we have very user-friendly interface. And first one, I want to show how to use converter. Let's click here. Also we can read here 1000 plus formats for converter. Let's click here and we can add or drag files here for start conversion. Let's click this plus icon and go to desktop. For example, I will choose these 3 files. Select these files, click open. And we can see this is MP4 formats and full HD. And let's go to here for conversions. Let's click choose format, and there are more video formats and codecs, but I will use only MOV format. Let's click here for select, and we can render 4K video and 3D or HD, SD and HDP. So I will choose HDP format. Let's click here. And right now we can see MOV format, file size and resolution size and time duration. Also no audio, no subtitles. Okay, so let's make some for other videos. Go to here, click choose format, select move and select full HD. Also select last one, go to click here and let me show other features. For example, we can convert audio files, MP4 and WAV and other audio formats and device, and we can convert videos for mobile devices. There are all mobile devices, and okay, that's good. And we can convert videos for web videos, YouTube, Facebook, Vimeo, Instagram and more. So let's back to video, select MOV and select here HD format, and for deep settings click settings here and we can change settings, for example high quality or encoder, frame rates, profile and resolution. We can upscale videos full HD to 4K and bitrate and level. Also we can change settings for audio settings. Okay, that's good. Let's click cancel. Okay, so also I want to show high-speed conversion. There are automatic enable this checkbox for fast conversion and using a video card. Okay, and so we can convert video by video or click merge all files, but I want to convert single videos. So let's go to file location, click this and click these dots and go to desktop and select this convert video, click select folder and let's click start all. Okay, so this is very fast way for video conversions. And let's back to desktop, open convert. And here we go. We have MOV video formats. Let's open video. Okay, high quality. And let's go to properties. Okay, this is MOV video format. Also, let's check this video. Again, this one MOV and last video MOV. That's good, awesome. So let's back to home, and I want to show some tools for video editors and social media workers and online teachers. So we can edit our videos with editor tools. For example, let's open editor, and we have tools for trim, crop, watermark, and effects, subtitles, audio, and speed. So let's click trim and select this video, click open, and we can trim video like this, and click OK and click save for export video. So let's back to home, and we can use screen recorder if you are a teacher or video content creator and gamer. You can use screen recorder. Let's click, and we have 4 tools. First, screen recorder, webcam recorder, audio, and application recorder. Let's click screen recorder, and we can select full screen like this, or we can select only custom area like this. Okay, and we can see our sizes and custom or full screen and other video screens, and we can control audio here, microphone. We can select here microphone like this, and webcam. I have no webcam here. And we can add logo and mosaic. After customize your settings, click rec for screen recording. So let's back to home, and we have AI lab, and there are 5 beta features: AI video enhancer, AI image enhancer, auto highlights, scene detection, and thumbnail maker. This awesome tool for YouTubers, also for me. So we can use online tools here. Let's click, and there are more tools. For example, DVD burner, measure, space to text, and GIF maker, and intro auto creator, fixed media data, image converter, and file transfer. This very important tool for footage stock creators, and remove watermark, vocal remover, and more tools. Okay, that's good, and I want to show how to use AI video enhancer. For use this tool, I want to click download for get this AI tool. Okay, and let's click AI video enhancer for open window, and there is very simple interface, and we can add or drag video here. Let's click this icon, and I have very simple and bad quality video. Let's play. There are more mosaics and noises. Okay, let's try enhance this video. Let's click video, click open, and we have 2 AI models: general denoise model and frame interpolation. Also, we can use 2x for 50 fps or 4x for 100 fps. I will use general denoise model, and let's click preview for see results. Okay, nice, and we can select here file location with this icon, and let's click export. Okay, so let's open video after enhancer. Okay, nice, not any mosaic and noises, and all colors is good. I like it. So guys, I want to show official YouTube channel Wondershare Uniconverter, and we can watch new tutorials, tips and tricks here, and don't forget to subscribe channel here. Also click here, and we can follow Uniconverter on Instagram, Facebook, and X platform. So guys, thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.